Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up alarm on iPhone 17 Pro Max. Simply just open your clock apps. Just open clock apps. Okay, as you can see, showing it to alarm option. Press on to alarm and create new alarm. Press on to set time, AM and PM. If you want to set repeat to Saturday, Sunday, Monday and all day, or custom to I'm just turn up my holiday to Sundays off and write alarm name, sound and duration. Okay, I will set successfully set up alarm.